This is a quick video on e-bikes and battery switches. The KDC 4 switches, you need these on a home built e-bike to isolate the batteries so the controller doesn't discharge the batteries overnight and damage them. These need to be soldered. The wires need to be soldered onto these, otherwise the switches overheat. Here's one, just an on-off switch with wires soldered on, sealed, and XT connectors fitted, which boost the cost of the switch considerably. You're not paying for the switch itself. You're paying for the labour to go into the switch when you buy these already built. You can get these in double switches, so it's 2 battery packs, and with these, either side go to your batteries, positive and negative, and the middle goes to your controller or motor, and it's 1, 2 and off. Really simple stuff, quite tricky to build for an e-bike though. These are, it states up to, these are AC switches, so when you buy them they're not rated for DC power. They'll probably go up to, the higher the voltage on your batteries, the less strain that there is on it, and the bigger the batteries are, the less strain on and less chance of them overheating and getting damaged. I hope this helps somebody, but the wires have to be soldered to these terminals. So the switch itself is quite cheap, but the trick is how to solder them on. Very difficult.